In this video, we're going to go over charging by conduction. So, first of all, what does it mean to charge something by conduction? Well, in order to do so, you need a charged object to come into contact with a neutral object. Once they do so, the electrons distribute themselves equally among both objects. This results in both objects having the same charge. We should see that after they touch, they should repel one another. So you may be thinking, in order to charge by conduction, I need a charged object. And to get a charged object, I need to charge by friction. So what's the point of conduction? Well, conductivity and the science behind the transfer of electrons is what led to the discovery of electricity. It's this whole idea of conductors and insulators that have allowed us to safely transfer electricity from one place to another. Without it, you wouldn't be able to power your TV, turn on your lights, charge your phone, and the world would be pretty dark. Now that you know a little bit about the importance of conduction, let's start the lab. First, we're going to take the negatively charged ebonite rod and put it in contact with the neutral pith ball. When the ebonite rod comes into contact with the neutral pith ball, the electrons distribute themselves so that both objects have the same charge. Since both objects are negative, they repel one another. We can prove that the pith ball is negative by bringing a positively charged glass rod nearby. Since it attracts, we can confirm that the pith ball was negatively charged. Now we're going to take the positively charged glass rod and we're going to put this in contact with the neutral pith ball. In this case, when the glass rod comes into contact with the neutral pith ball, the pith ball's electrons are attracted to the glass rod's positive charge and distribute themselves so that both objects have the same charge. Since both objects are now positive, they repel one another. We can prove that the pith ball is positive by approaching a negatively charged ebonite rod and observing the attraction between the positive pith ball and the negative rod. Now another cool application of conduction is that you can shock people, and I'm going to use my fancy electro glove to give you a demonstration of the power of conduction by shocking my good friend Alyssa.